Kung ang mukha mo ay parang always El Nino sa pagka-dry, kung nangangarap kang pumuti ang mukha mo, kung gusto mong lumiit ang mga pores mo sa mukha, gumamit ka ng niacinamide with 10 times whitening power from Johnson Skin Essentials. Kung ikaw ay nakararanas ng acne breakouts sa mukha o sa buong katawan mo, kung gusto mong ma-hydrates ang balat mo, at kung meron kang extra sensitive skin, gumamit ka ng aloe vera soap with calamansi from Johnson Skin Essentials. Meron din itong anti-inflammatory properties at nakatutulong din ito for collagen production for healthier looking skin. Don't let acne hold you back. Unleash your glow with our anti-acne herbal soap. So what are you waiting for? Check out nyo na! And always remember, the goal is to have a healthy skin, not a perfect skin.